This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for Facebook Marketplace. First, ensure your PayPal account is verified and linked to your Facebook profile. This integration allows for smoother payment processes. PayPal offers robust protection for both buyers and sellers, which is a significant advantage when dealing with online transactions. We will cover the essential steps for making purchases and receiving funds, ensuring you can navigate the marketplace with confidence and security. As a buyer, using PayPal on Facebook Marketplace is straightforward. When you're ready to purchase an item, simply choose PayPal at checkout. Always double-check the transaction details, ensuring the item and price are correct before confirming. Remember, PayPal's buyer protection can be invaluable. It covers eligible purchases if an item doesn't arrive or is significantly different from its description, offering you peace of mind with every transaction you make. For sellers, accepting PayPal payments requires a few key steps. You can share your PayPal email with buyers or, for a more professional approach, send them a direct invoice through PayPal. Crucially, always insist on using the goods and services payment option. This activates PayPal's seller protection, safeguarding you against potential disputes. Never ship an item until you have confirmed the payment has fully cleared in your PayPal account, typically within 24 to 48 hours. To ensure secure transactions, always avoid the friends and family payment option for marketplace deals, as it bypasses all protection. Maintain clear communication with your counterpart directly within Facebook Messenger. This creates a documented history of your agreement. If anything feels suspicious, do not hesitate to report the user or activity to both Facebook and PayPal. Staying vigilant and following these simple guidelines will help you have a safe and positive experience on Facebook Marketplace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.